Welcome to this introduction or demo of the course of SAP S4-HANA for purchases, inventories, and sales. We are going to cover on this course purchases, sales, what are the processes of sales, and how we can query what are the movements of the inventory of every product that we have on the warehouse. So these are the processes of purchasing. First, to purchase, we are going to receive the products, and these products will generate these accounting journal entries. And when we generate the invoice to the provider, these accounts will be affected on the accounting journal system of SAP. Okay, so here we can see the general processes of purchases. When we do a purchase and we receive these goods, it will happen that these are the journal accounts affected, and when we deliver the invoice to the provider, these accounts will be affected, like for payables domestics, and what was the inventory affected when we deliver the invoice. Okay, so next we have the sales. Here we have the general process of sales. First, we are going to create a sales order processing. Then we are going to deliver the product to the client. So that means that we are creating these entries to the journal accounting system. So these entries are generated when we deliver the product to the client. That means that we deliver and we exit these products from the warehouse. And next we are going to deliver in processing. Next we are going to invoice the documents to the client, and that means that these journal entries are created because we generate this invoice to the client. So these are represented here like a receivables domestic on the debit, and all the other accounts affected that will balance this transaction. Also, we're going to see what are the movements of the inventory. We have here how we manage the inventory movements. Okay, these are all the entries on all the exits for every product of the warehouse from SAP. So it is very important to understand how to query what are the movements of the products. And also we are going to cover here, once we create a purchase order, it was generated at a payables domestic. So we are going to see how to clear these payments and do the payments to the provider, and how it is done on this module of post incoming payments of SAP. Okay, so also when we do a sale, that means that we have a receivables domestic or affecting an account of receivables that is represented here on this movement of SAP on the receivables domestic. And also we are going to use the module of post incoming payments, and here we are going to post the payments, and we will be able to check how much money is allocated and how much money it is pending to pay to a provider, or it is pending of receiving the full amount from the client. So I hope that you can enjoy this course, and if you have any question, please contact me on the platform. Thank you very much and see you in the course.